Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to dropship on Shopify with AutoDS. You might wonder that there are so many different suppliers or free suppliers out there where I can find them on AliExpress, Alibaba, so why would we choose subscription like AutoDS? So for you to know guys, you can find products and ship them to your customers. So we have a couple of different reasons to why people should do this. First off is that AutoDS enables you to get exclusive products at exclusive discounts. Secondly, AutoDS has some verified and trusted suppliers that can help you to ensuring a good quality product for all of your customers. And lastly, with AutoDS, your entire Shopify website will be automated. So as soon as you receive an order, you can just click on fulfill or even set up automatic fulfillment, and that would send the order directly to AutoDS, so the payment would be captured, and once the payment has been captured, the product would be shipped to your customer. So right here, you just have to simply click on the add apps option at the left side of your screen, and then this page will open. And as you can see, there are so many apps that we can use. And as you can see, we have here the AutoDS. So if you cannot find the AutoDS application right here, all you have to do is to simply click on the Shopify App Store at the bottom. So just click on it and you'd be directed to this page. And right here, you'd be able to see these applications. So if you cannot find the AutoDS in this section, so all you have to do is to simply use the search bar at the top and then type out AutoDS. Okay, and then when you clicked on enter, you'd be able to see this two AutoDS application. So this one is a free one, and then as you can see, the ratings are different. So of course, we are going to proceed with the AutoDS. So this is dropshipping on Pod. Okay, so after that, we just have to simply click on install. But before that, let me show you the other one. So if you're someone who is planning to use AutoDS for free, then you can proceed with this one. But as you can see, the rating is only 4.0. So I think this is not a good application for your site or for your Shopify store. So let's just go back to the first one and click on the install button. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then right here, we have to read this important note. So this app needs access to our personal data. So we have here the customers, so name, email address, phone numbers, physical address, geolocation, IP address, browser, and operating system. And of course, for the store owner, we have name, email address, phone number, and physical address. So it can also view and edit our store data. So right here we have the customer data. So customers shopping on AutoDS, dropshipping on Pad may be able to view the tags you've added to their customer account. So edit products, edit orders, view other data as well. So after reading this one, and if you agreed to this access, so just click on install and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then you also have to remember that in AutoDS we have to pay, okay, in order to access its full potential. Okay, so we are already on our dashboard. So let me just show you on the other tab before I logged in to this dashboard. Okay, so right here, just have to click on the search bar and type out AutoDS, and then we just have to click on the get started or sign in option. So of course, we are going to click on start dropshipping. And then after that, you just have to type out your information, and then you'd be able to log in to this account. Okay, so let me just log out this account so I can show you how. Okay, so right here, we can log in with our Google or type out our email address right here or our password. Okay, so once you are in AutoDS, what we can do now is to simply add our store. Okay, so right here, this is my account and my store should be connected to this account. Okay, so we have to remember that. So right here, we have the add store option. So what we are going to do is to simply click on it. So let me just close this tab. Okay, and then right here, this is our Shopify store, right? So we have to make sure that our Shopify store is connected to AutoDS. So to do that, we just have to go back to AutoDS and click on Add Store, this one at the top left, then click on Add Store. Okay, so after clicking on Add Store, we have to select Shopify Store. So just have to select the store type. Then after that, you just have to simply click on Continue. Okay, so we can build with AI and then just click on Continue. Okay, so right here we have to select our product or find the right package for our store. So I'm going to start now with this trial right here. Okay, so just have to simply click on it. Then right here, so this is a starter 500 plan. And then after that, we just have to proceed to the payment method and give you payment information in order for you to access this page. Okay, so right here, we just have to select our niche. And then here, if it is a fashion and apparel, or you can also select, I'm not sure. Okay, so after that, you just have to simply click on next. Now AI is building a store for you. Okay, so you have to make sure that it is connected to your Shopify store. And then once done, okay, so we already have our store. Right here is we have to look for the product that we want to dropship to our Shopify store. Okay, so these are all the products available in AutoDS, and there are also different suppliers here in AutoDS. Okay, so let us try to look for a specific product that we are going to dropship to our Shopify store. So right here we have different categories. So let me just go back right here at the tabs right here. We're going to select the country that we want to ship the product to. So we just have to click on this section right here and then select the country. So when you click a specific country, the products will change. Okay, so it will vary to the country that you are going to select. Okay, so for example, all other countries or regions. So as you can see, the products change. Now here in AutoDS, all of the products that we can see, we can dropship it to our Shopify store. Okay, so for example, right here, we would like to search for a specific product for sports and fitness category. So here are the toys in hobbies category, home and garden, home improvement and tools, outdoors, sports and fitness, pets, electronics and gadgets. We also have clothing, shoes and jewelry, and other category. Okay, so we can explore those category and find the right products that we can dropship to our Shopify store. So for example, this one, I want to import this. So to dropship this product to my Shopify store, all I have to do is to simply click on that specific product. And then right here, as you can see, we have the details of this product. So you don't have to worry because we don't have to dropship all of these details manually, because using AutoDS, we can automatically dropship everything or every details of this product to our Shopify store. So all you have to do is to simply click on import drafts. Okay, so right here, you can see the details of this product. So the item is being added to drafts. So the cheapest warehouse was selected for this product. So you just have to click on the drafts option at the left side, and this is now your product. So all you have to do is to simply click on import. And as you can see at the top, you'd be able to see the details of the product that you are going to import to your store. So all you have to do is to wait for a couple of seconds, okay, until the importing process is complete. Okay, so the item is being added to draft. And when you go back here to our Shopify store and go to the product section, so let me just refresh it. As you can see, the product has been successfully added to our Shopify store. So now we have the product name, the status, the inventory, the sales channels, the markets, the category, the type, as well as the vendor. Of course, the vendor is our store. So now to customize this product is to simply click on it. Then right here we have the title, we have the description, we have the media, we also have the category. So make sure that every time you dropship product from AutoDS to your Shopify store is you are going to customize it, because there are some information that might be missing. For example, the category section. So right here we don't have any category, so we have to manually select our own category. Okay, so for the variants, so if you think a variant is missing, so you just have to click on add variant. And then for the capacity, so it's just the same. Then right here we have the price and then the available number of this item. So let me just change the price of this product. So I am going to change this to 800 pesos. Okay, so right here the total inventory across all locations is 50. So that is the available numbers of this product. So right here at your right side we have the status. And then if you think the details of this product are all set, so just click on save. Okay, so now let us go back right here and check if this product is active. Okay, so now let's go back to AutoDS and then try to import more products. Okay, so right here we have this section, or the supplier section. So if you would like to select a specific supplier, so you just have to go to the section and then click on that specific supplier. So for example right here, AliExpress, so we'd be able to see products from AliExpress. Okay, and then take note that you can also add multiple suppliers at the same time. For example, I would like to add more suppliers, so we have AliExpress already. So maybe Amazon or Wish. So it's up to you. So after selecting the suppliers, you just have to go back here below, and then you just have to select the product that you want to import to your Shopify store. So for example, this product. Okay, so as long as that product is available on this feature, so you can import it to your Shopify store. So right here you can buy product finding hub add-on in order to access a specific product. So if you don't want to buy those add-ons, so you can continue with your current subscription, and then just make sure to utilize all of the product that you can use for free. Okay, so let me just import this once again. And then let us check it in our drafts. So here is the product. So after that is you just have to simply click on import. Okay, and then if you want to save time, you can add as many products to your import list first before importing it to your Shopify store. Okay, so let me just show you. So for example, I would like to add different products from different categories. So this is just random products that I am going to import to my Shopify store. So first I am going to add this to my drops first before I import it to my Shopify store. Okay, so let me just go back here to the marketplace and then look for more products. Okay, so this way you can save up your time, so you don't have to look for a product one by one before you're going to import it to your Shopify store. Okay, so let me just add this one as well. So you can go to the categories again. So the categories is very helpful for you to find a specific product that you want for your store. So you just have to do the same. You just have to simply click on import list, would be imported to your drafts. Okay, so after finding or importing all of the products that you need, you can now go back to your drafts and then just have to simply click on the box icon at the left side, and then you just have to simply click on the import option. Okay, so just click on import, and then once done you'd be able to see this checked icon. Okay, so when a product is not capable to be imported to your Shopify store, since you have to buy the add-ons, then you cannot find that product later on to your Shopify store. Okay, so once all of the capable products or the available products is imported, you just have to go back to your Shopify store, then go back to the product section. Okay, and then as you can see, we have now 4 products in our Shopify store. So now that these products are on your Shopify store, you can now start customizing each of this product. Okay, so you just have to do the same like we did earlier. So now let's go back here on the marketplace, and then right here at the top right, we have the currency. So to change the currency, you just have to simply click on it and then find your currency. So for this one, I'm just going to use USD. Okay, so you can also type out right here your currency if you're looking for a specific currency. Okay, so let me just use USD for this one, and then for the price range, so when you select your price range, so you'd be able to see different products right here. Okay, so it will help you to determine a specific product that is budget friendly, of course. So right here at the left side, let us go to our dashboard. So right here we have our profit section, the orders, the total revenue, and then the new products. And then since I just created this account, so we don't have that data yet. So right here for the orders, so I don't have any orders yet. So right here our products, and these are all the products that we have imported to our Shopify store. Okay, so we have here the variations, and then of course here are the profit of each product that we are going to sell. Okay, so you can see it right here at your right side. So after that, let us proceed now to the marketplace again, and then let us try to look for trending products. Okay, so when you click on marketplace and go to the trending products, we can access this feature if we buy the product finding hub add-on. Okay, so if we are going to use the that kind of feature here on AutoDS, so we have to buy it. Then right here in the print on demand, we have these products that we can customize from AutoDS. Okay, so for example, I would like to customize this kind of sweatshirt. Okay, so I just have to simply click on it. Then right here we can add our image. We can add a layer, or we can add here colors. So we have the front and back. So for example, you would like to use this kind of products and then import it to your Shopify store. So this is a very big help, since I think a lot of people or customers are looking for this kind of product. So basically here on AutoDS, there are so many things that you can do in order to earn your revenue. So this is all-in-one dropshipping tool that automates many aspects of running an online store. It integrates with platforms like eBay, Shopify, and Facebook Marketplace, helping sellers manage their stores more efficiently. So the tool offers features like product sourcing, price monitoring, stock monitoring, order automation, and more. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.